We're at the CarBiz house. We're gonna go f around today.
Like that.
I'm not fucking around. They're fucking around. So have fun. Joseph's gonna have the camera.
Hey, Joseph, get me in the video, bro. We got Edmond. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the CarBiz. My name is Joseph. This is Shota.
Yes, sir.
Amir gave us the camera today, said, guys, here's the camera, go have fun. So what are we doing? We're gonna go on a drive. We got Chris's Corvette here, and we got something even crazier. We got Edmond's most famous GT3RS. Look what just pulled up. We got sick E63. It's got a half split wrap, matte black, half chrome blue. This thing is sick.
Here we have an M4 CS, but unlike Doran's, it doesn't have the big wing. Alright, so here we got Mr.
Dude, it's
Azizi.
crazy.
What do you think about this M4 CS?
Bro, I'm Persian now. I was thinking to say I love it.
I guess this part is County can.
What makes you say that?
This is County on it.
Whoa, we got the OLEDs.
What?
Whoa, is this shit on Edmond's car? Whoa. That sounds good. So this car is twin turboed, 1,000 horsepower.
1,000 horsepower.
Wow.
World's only twin turbo GT3RS. So you're actually my first passenger ever since I got the turbos. Yeah, ever since I upgraded the turbo.
Oh man.
How do you feel about it?
It's an honor. It's an honor, first of all.
No. How do you feel? How's the car feel?
Wow. It's fast. It's faster than anything I've been in.
Really?
I've been in the SVJ, been in a few other cars. I mean, this is by far.
Love that.
Like,
That's awesome.
the gut feeling I get from this car is, I don't know, I can't put it into words. Holy shit! Wow. Wow, what the... We got a 488.
Is that what you like?
Oh yeah.
Cars, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Dude, this AeroKit actually works well. You'll feel it. At 65 miles an hour on turns, that's when you feel it. It like really plants the rear. So you'll feel it on this turn.
Wow. That's sick. That's sick. It's like glue. Yeah. It feels like it just gets glued down. We're back, bro.
How was it?
Crazy. You'll see in the vlog when you watch this. Yeah.
Oh shit! What is
Look at that! Look at that shit.
So does.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Look at that! Look at that shit flying. Look at that.
Oh.
Not drifting, dude. Fucking already was like.
We gotta take Dom to one of those.
Nah, I'm good, bro. You're missing out.
Wow.
Crazy day.
Well, that's a little shenanigan episode Amir was not a part of. So thanks for watching. Until next time.